Hello YouTube, my name is Jenny and I want to share my story with you. I've been living in Mexico for 7 years, 8 years in November. I wanted to share my experience and to show how I've been adapting to living in a foreign country. My husband and I have retired and came to do some self-supporting missionary work here. This is a beautiful country with wonderful people. We've been adapting very well. My first video is of me cooking in my kitchen, Maryland steamed shrimp with onions. Let's get into it. Hello everybody, I'm just going to try something new here. I'm going to try some steamed shrimp, Baltimore style. So here we go. I have an onion and I'm going to chop it into slices. They'll look like this when they're done. Got it? So I'll chop a few more. I have some shrimp. I have some good old Maryland Old Bay seasoning. And I have some vinegar, white vinegar. And I have a pot. And in the bottom of the pot, I have a steamer thingy. And I'm going to put it in the pot. And in the pot, I have some water. And I'm going to put some vinegar in there just for flavor. So these are my chopped onions. This is the pot with the steamed onions, with the onions on the steaming rack, and the shrimp with Old Bay sprinkled generously on top. And I'm going to put a lid on, and I'm going to take it to the fire. So now it's on the fire. And it's going to steam on a flame which is medium high, and it'll be on there for about 8 minutes, and then she'll be done. You should smell my kitchen, you all. It smells amazing. They are done. I'm going to put them on a plate and show you what they look like. And here they are, all steamed and ready for the tasting. Bon appetit, Jenny. Ooh, another thing. I took some ketchup and I put some horseradish in it and I mixed it up really well. And now I have cocktail sauce. Now you take your peel and eat shrimp, peel the shells off, dip them in your sauce, and away you go. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. I have a zillion videos I want to send your way.